Wow.
Too loud.
Oh, so that's like the police car siren on the road.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So I can. I'll show you this first, okay? This is just a test, alright guys? Don't be scared.
Occupants of the residence. This is the Tracy Police Department. When you hear me surrounded, come out of the house with your hands in the air.
Imagine like 14 people just sitting in their house.
Yeah. So, you want to say something? Does anybody want to say something to it?
Alright, can I?
Alright, hold on.
That's good.
Hello! What's up? That's cool. That's cool.
Pretty cool, right guys?
Yeah.
I love that.
But we have to look at some
Hey, next, come back.
I'm not just saying that turkey actually like 15.
Oh, that would be scary. Seeing anything start.
Oh, because that's insane.
No,
That's insane.